5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The point upon which his judgment is based is purely one of law, and it arises directly upon the facts which are admitted, and about which there can be no contradiction or controversy. Many cases might occur in which a careless and unreflecting use of Section 542 would cause hardship and injustice, but in the present instance, the objection is simply a legal one aiming directly at the status of the plaintiff to come into court at all. Such an objection, it seems impossible for the court to avoid taking cognizance of in special appeal, even though it be raised for the first time at the hearing, any more than it could disregard a new point as to limitation or want of jurisdiction. The second question for my consideration is not without difficulty, though the equities are clearly in favor of the view taken by Pearson J. The mortgage or conditional sale deed of the 3rd May 1867 executed by U. Singh to the defendant appellant Lakshman Prasad for Rs 700 charges his 2 आना share in Mauja Tikarbhan for 3 years on condition that the principal sum and interest shall be paid within the said term on the last day of the said term. If I fail to do so and do not get the mortgaged property freed from the mortgage, this mortgage deed shall be considered as a conditional sale deed, and the mortgage money a consideration therefore, and the mortgagee shall take proprietary possession of the property. From this, it will be seen that Rs 700 with interest was to be repaid on or before the 3rd May 1870, and then if the mortgagor made default, the mortgagee was competent at once to take foreclosure proceedings to convert the conditional sale into an absolute one. No doubt, Umed Singh remained in possession until he was ousted by Lakshman Prasad under process of law, and till the final order in the foreclosure proceedings was passed, he still had his equity of redemption. But all this same time, Lakshman Prasad had his equitable rights and interests over the property placed with him as security, and after the 3 years had expired and default had been made by the borrower, the only alternative open to Umed Singh was to pay the money within 1 year from the date of receiving notice of foreclosure. Otherwise, Lakshman Prasad's proprietary title would by a flux of time become completely established. इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इस पैसेज का टेक्स्ट दिया हुआ है.